What's going on? Welcome back. Today we've got some people with us again. Can't see it from there, but trust me, he's down there. I'm just going to get him a 15mm. That's all I do. He turns up and I just pass him stuff. Got by Tom again.
You got the wrong thing. I said.
And we got ironing.
I said 15. You bring me a 16.
That was in the 15 bit. That means you had the 15 one before.
I've not had it.
That's what I gave you the first time. I'll let you off.
I had one job. No car crashes today, so.
No, there's still hours left. He has come with company, but she's hiding again. We get a sign that there's life in there, like a middle finger or something.
Stick finger up.
No, she looked out, all confused, and then saw the camera and then darted in again. That's what she drives. They got away this time. We're doing some bits on this. What are we doing today, Thomas?
Right, we found your calipers back.
Yeah.
Put your pads in. Then you greased your sliders, greased your paddle. Beef things not keep. Sponsored by Monster Energy.
We fucking wish.
I fucking
Should we
wish.
not crack 'em on your clock? Do it now if you want.
We'll do it.
Just shout crack 'em on your clock and then snap the whole thing.
Shout what?
Crack 'em on your clock. I think Adam did. That's pure cringe.
This is like a full can. I've literally just cracked it up.
Wasn't a question.
Right then.
You don't have to just do what you want.
Well,
There's another one
do
in
it.
there.
Crack 'em on your clock.
Yeah.
Out loud.
Just scream it.
Crack 'em on your clock!
This is peer pressure, this.
Right, Monster, I need another one sending down.
Fuck, that sounds a fucking tree. So we're doing the brake bleed in a minute. You can see him under there, pissing about. So we've got RBF 660 brake fluid going in. It's like racy fluid. So we've done that one, we're doing that one now. And then we just got to do that one there. So then we've got to adjust the coilovers, put it on its wheels, and then hopefully the main event of today is taking these seats out and installing some custom bits.
Back. Down. Back.
Stop having your cards at 7 in the morning.
I'm trying to fucking put brake fluid right steadily and you've revved it and it's fucking spilled now.
We'll blame John.
It's your fault, John. You produced it.
I should have been dribbled.
Right, press it down.
You have to speak up,
Back.
John.
I've asked for evidence which you won't supply.
Back. Down.
Really light. Bit, yeah. It's just kind of like, it's really easy and then it's hard at the end.
Right.
Typical VW, we've got airbag on, we've got fuel on, R32, screen wash, brake pads and the doors open. So, all in all, it's nice to actually have that loud pedal again.
Bastard.
I keep forgetting he's there.
It's hot, this engine, you know.
Is it? Don't touch it in. That's enough time for
We'll
today.
swap jobs if you want.
Do I have to have an MVQ to pour it in?
No. You just need a level 1 air and beauty.
Air and beauty.
And not doing beauty either, you just have to be beautiful.
If you look at me,
Because even Adam said I'm a better YouTuber than you. And that should start me on channel.
just do it.
It'd just be explicit as full. With so much swearing, I get banned in about 3 minutes.
It ends in tube anyway, doesn't it?
Anyway,
When you're just that good at carbon skinning, that's how it happens. It's that good it doesn't even open. It wants you to see it. It has nothing to do with how shitty I've done it. Don't know why I'm putting it in there. That's the problem with this fucking car. If you can hear that, it's touching that. And that one's broke. So we made a bit of progress.
we'll say hello, right?
There is. No, she whipped me again. you haven't seen the tyres, then that's what they look like. 225 4018s. So we're just adjusting the coilovers now, so that we can get it on the floor and then adjust from that and get the sun. I've just painted these brakes again, and it's just knocked the fucking paint off again. So it's red, showing red. I'm never painting these brakes again.
Race car, not show car.
I've hit the caliper with the fucking wheel. And it's just nudged the littlest bit of paint off. I'm not doing them again. So you have a rehash of last week. Still gets you creased. I did get myself insured on the car.
Wheel.
Behind you.
Bolts. Bolty nuts. That's how to not scratch your fucking caliper.
Alright, smart ass. Got an MVQ in fucking
Hairdressing.
not hitting calipers. That's all they teach you at VW, just not how to not hit stuff. The fixing stuff you just learn by chance. My theory is, well, what of them?
Yeah.
My theory is that these are going to either need the arch rolling, which we should have a look at doing anyway, just to pull it out a bit, or just a little bit of camber when we get it aligned, and then we'll go for some last minute adjustments.
Jack's just shed a tear when it hit 4.
I have shed a tear, it's been 11 months.
How to fuck a golf up episode 1.
Yeah, we've nearly
let
got...
Jack touch it.
Yeah, don't let Jack touch golf.
Or bolts. Or kids.
So one of the main things for today's video was installing what we're installing now. So a friend of mine, Matt, at Rushworth Performance, actually makes these. And he's only got them for Mark 4s at the minute. So I'm sure if you got in touch with him, he could start to plan to build other ones. So we're installing the passenger one at the minute. But these are custom seat mounts, which Tom is now modelling.
Do I have to get naked again?
Yeah, you can if you want. Fit in. They match up, and Mark 4s, they match up straight to the front holes and they slide into there.
And then they just need a slight drill modification.
Yeah, you just need to like mark it up. So we have used a drill. I wasn't trusted though, so fair enough.
Drill bits are all fucking to drill through brick, and we're trying to drill through metal.
Don't use like wall drills like we've just used. But I'm just not well equipped, as we all know by now. So this is the trial fit.
Don't know how to do it for money, me. Or should I say, I don't know how to do it for no money. One or other.
What are you trying to expose me for?
Jack is blackmailing me with Nando's, blowjobs, and monster drinks, which I don't mind.
To be fair, there's worse deals in the world. You're lucky I'm not applying to Make-A-Wish. That's my next fucking job.
Could be worse. Could apply for the fucking gym to fix it. What do you think this is? A cherry?
He's on about me getting him to do some work for a change, because he's not overcharging people for fitting LEDs or brake discs.
Lowering springs.
£800 a week for one bulb and one lowering spring.
So
The only tool in my life is Tom. Built for purpose.
that's cute.
Big John's here. Where's he gone? Stop fucking creeping around, John. What do you think, John? Give us a review. How many Big Johns is this whip? Out of 5. The seats had a 5.
Yeah, I'll give it a 5.
5 Big Johns. 5. Can you believe this rating? We're going to have no credibility as a rating system soon. We've had 100% out of ratings were 5 Big Johns.
Brakes in there, yeah.
Don't tell Tom, now he's going to want us to charge him to fit them.
What months did you do then?
Oh well, she's dropped me in it now.
Weapon.
It always sounds nice. Let me look around and see if I can fit.
It doesn't sound that nice.
I think it sounds alright.
Sounds a bit rice, doesn't it?
It sounds alright when it's driving away.
Sounds right when it gets quieter.
Yeah. So we're going to finish this Golf off and then we're going to start 20 valve in the Lupo.
We're going to modify Astra.
25. Should we 20 valve the Astra?
That's
20
great.
valve the Golf and then 20 valve the Lupo.
Going next week, is it?
Has someone bought it?
No, but that's up for sale.
It's not going then, is it?
Well, no, it's up for sale. It'd be going, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it might be.
Well, I must snap that up.
You want to take them shitty stickers off it?
See, look.
Yeah, especially that catalytic one.
Oh, sorry, do you need me to help you?
Yep. Do you want me to drop this outside your car? I might put it upside down now, but like, if I put seat faces back.
That'll be quite comfy to be fair. You get a lot of leg room. I'd be a bit nervous driving it
Installed.
around on track, Installed.
You're going to be so low sat in them.
The only thing lower than me in that seat will be my standards in women, Tom.
How far forward or back do you want?
Well, that's the passenger one, so it doesn't really matter.
I'll set this to me then, sit with me, it's going to be sat in it a lot.
Yeah, you've got the longest legs out of everyone I know, I think. And they're open the most often, you slapper. I can't fucking film it. He tells me to get the camera and then puts his head in the way of every shot.
Right, you want it on third one?
He's charging me money and costing me money, eating into my YouTube revenue.
Third one down it goes on.
So that is one seat in. We're now working on the other one. Tom's just going to drill the holes and then I'm going to be off ski. Or he's going to be off ski, because I should manage. I will film it if I burn the car down in the process.
That's fine.
Nah, it's getting a bit later. Tom's had to go, which is fair enough, he's got other shit to do. But I'm now setting up these. I'm just adjusting it, trying to find my position now. It's doing my nutting. So excuse the dodgy angle, because I am actually doing something today. But the Rushworth plates, so you need to drill the hole for this bit. If you've got a Mark IV and you want some and you're watching this, they fit in at the back and then you tighten a bolt so it holds it into the rail. You've got harness and seatbelt bolts there, but this bit you can't see because of the exposure on the camera, but just believe me, there's something there. There's like a little plate, it's like a little uplift, like a hinge. That's where you bolt them to. But every car that he's put them in, the holes have been in different places, so you have to drill that hole, and we've done that, and I'm just bolting them in now. Pretty much done. I've just got to add one more thing to the car, which I'll do in a sec, but the seats are in. I'm well happy with them. I've had to buy some more Velcro, see where the white bits are. That's what I've just had to put on because they'd come loose. So I've put some fresh stuff on, keep it nice and still. Bit of dust coming off that. The only thing that's left to go in here now is harnesses from Adam and the cage. This week I'm going to be stripping the headline and that ready for it. So the sunroof will be pretty much useless. We're nearly done. So, on terms of stuff that needs to be done to its road on the road again, we've got an alignment to sort this out. It's sticking out by about ½ an inch, so we're going to roll it. Obviously, in alignment, when we put the camera on it, I'm looking at about 2 degrees of camber, so that should roll it in a little bit. I think the brakes look fucking awesome. It's a bit hard to see now because it's obviously dark. I don't know what time it is. It must be about 9 o'clock now. Then we've got an MOT. The wing needs to go back on with these awesome new end plates from Rushworth. They did the seats that we installed today. This is the old end plate with the logo on, and this is the new one. So it's a little bit longer but a lot shorter, about half the size. I took the inspiration from the BTCC Golfs, the Mark 7s, so that'll look a lot better, and I'm not a big fan of them, they look too big, so these should look perfect. So that'll be when the wing's back on, and then we need the cage, which is after it goes on the road, and the harnesses, so they'll be going in, and then that's when it'll be ready for its like track. But before that, front bumper needs to go back on with the carbon canards. But just at the end of the video, I want to go a massive shout out to Tom for coming down and helping me. We are nearly done. All of the bits I need Tom helping doing, nearly done. Apart from the cage, we're going to be welding the cage in. Undercover all loads of shit. But that's my safety devices cage. But that will probably be the next video, if not the video after that. Next video might be the MOT and the alignment. But the other one is green light. Green light sorted me out massively on the insurance for this. If you want a track, if you're making a track car or you want a modified car, green light. They've smashed Adrian Flux out the park. Adrian Flux wanted £1,400 for that. Green light came in at just over £900. Obviously, it might be different for you, but I definitely recommend them. Even if they are a little bit more expensive and you want to go on track, Greenlight will charge you £45 a day for track day insurance, which is sick. So if you do bin it, if you dig into your little bag of talent and you find out it's empty, you're like, I know I'm deep like Hermione. I wish I was an arm deep in Hermione, but that's a story for another day. Then they'll cover you, which is sick. So just check them out. But that has been it for today. So if you did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the seats. Let me know what you think of Matt's subframes. They are made to order. So give him a shout. His link's in the description. They're on the screen now. So give him a follow on Instagram. Give him a shout. And if you do order some, you won't get anything, but tell them I sent you. It'd be nice to know how many people want one after seeing how easy they are to install. I made it look hard, but that's just me. They are really easy. You literally got to slide 2 things in, do 4 bolts, and drill 2. Piece of piss. So that's it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.
Don't blink, they won't even miss you at all.